Greetings, dear viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today we are going on a fascinating journey into the world of Indian culture and art to tell you about the incomparable beauty and deep significance of Indian saris. The sari is not just a garment, it is a true work of art, an embodiment of elegance and tradition. We invite you into this fascinating world to unravel its mysteries and immerse yourself in the richness of Indian cultural heritage. The sari is not only a closet item, but also an important symbol that reflects the richness of tradition, history, and passion for beauty. The sari has remained an integral part of Indian women's lives for centuries, and it continues to be relevant and inspiring. In this video, we'll take you through the history of Indian saris, the variety of types and styles, and the most luxurious and expensive pieces. We will look at how the sari fits into current fashion trends and how it is worn at various events. And of course, we won't forget to share success stories and the sari's impact on global fashion and culture. Before we dive into the process of creating Indian saris, let's take a peek into the past and tell you how this unique element of Indian culture emerged and evolved. The history of the sari dates back thousands of years, going back to ancient times. It is believed that the first information about the sari dates back to about 2800 BC. Over time, the sari has become not only an element of clothing, but also an important symbol of Indian culture, acquiring deep spiritual and socio-cultural connotations. The sari plays a significant role in Indian society, serving not only as a piece of jewelry, but also as a unique expression of status belonging to a certain group or religious community. This beautiful fabric epitomizes the femininity, beauty, and pride of Indian women. In different regions of India, the sari may have its own unique characteristics depending on traditions, customs, and climatic conditions. The significance of the sari extends to the realm of religious rituals and ceremonial events as well. It is an integral part of many Indian festivals and ceremonies. Each style of sari wear can also carry its own symbolism and meanings, which makes this garment even richer and more diverse. In this way, the sari becomes not only the epitome of elegance and style, but also a living historical and cultural monument that connects generations of Indians and embodies the spiritual heritage of the country. And now, we will move on to the most fascinating part, the process of making Indian saris. This art requires skill, patience, and talent, and each stage of creation adds its own unique imprint to this unique garment. Choosing the fabric. The first and one of the most important steps is to choose the right fabric. Both the comfort as well as the overall look of the sari depends on it. India is famous for its richness of fabrics ranging from lightweight cotton fabrics to luxurious silk fabrics. Different fabrics are used depending on the season, event, and preference. Coloring and design. Then comes the choice of coloring and design of the sari. Indian saris are known for their bright and rich colors and patterns that reflect the cultural heritage of the country. From abstract geometric patterns to colorful floral motifs, the possibilities are endless. Embroidery and embellishments. Many saris are enhanced with embroidery and embellishments, giving them uniqueness and sparkle. This step requires a high degree of skill and attention to detail. Pearls, rhinestones, gold, and silver thread are all used to create breathtaking decorative elements. Special techniques. Depending on the region and tradition, artisans use different techniques such as block printing, wood carving, hand sewing, and more. Each technique gives the sari its own unique look. Folding and wrapping. A sari consists of one long strip of cloth that is folded and wrapped around the body. The way of folding depends on the region and preference. The process of wrapping a sari is an entire art that requires skill and practice. Each step in the creation of a sari enriches its significance and beauty. To give you a better idea of the process of making Indian saris, we have prepared photo and video materials that will allow you to dive into this fascinating world of handicraft and creativity. The next stage of our tour will be a look at the most expensive and luxurious types of Indian saris. as well as those that carry a special meaning and history. You are in for a fascinating journey into a world of Indian culture and style that is impossible not to love. As we continue our journey in the world of Indian fashion, let's take a look at the variety of types of Indian saris. India is a country with a rich cultural heritage, and each region contributes unique styles of saris. 1. Banarasi. Probably one of the most famous and luxurious sari styles is the Banarasi. Created in the city of Varanasi, they are known for their precious patterns, gold and silver thread embroidery, and rich coloring. 2. Kanjivaram. This type of sari, produced in the southern part of India, is famous for its silk fabrics and bright colors. Kanjivaram is considered a symbol of luxury and sophistication. 3. Chanderi. Chanderi saris are made in the Chanderi region of India. They are known for their fine cotton fabrics and delicate embroidery, which gives them an airy and graceful feel. 4. Bandhani. This style of sari stands out due to a special dyeing technique known as tie-dye. It creates patterns and knots on the fabric, which gives the sari an original and recognizable look. 5. Patola. Exclusive Patola saris are made in Gujarat. Their specialty is the intricate technological process of combining different shades and patterns, creating an impressive visual impression. Each of these styles reflects the uniqueness of the region, its cultural characteristics, and the artistic skill of local artisans. They blend centuries of tradition and innovation to create truly magnificent works of art. For those who appreciate exclusivity and luxury, the world of Indian saris offers something spectacular. The most expensive saris combine not only exquisite design, but also the use of precious materials, unique embroideries, and jewelry. 1. Gold embroidered saris. These saris are created using threads of real gold. The gold embroidery makes each sari truly royal and incredibly expensive. 2. Saris with diamonds and gemstones. The luxury and brilliance of diamonds and gemstones give the saris a unique look. They are works of art that shine with a light of their own. 3. Heated silk saris. Yes, you heard me right. Saris can even be heated to ensure comfort during the cold season. Such saris are made of special silk fabrics that retain heat. The most expensive saris are real works of art created by great craftsmen and jewelers. They not only adorn their owners, but are the embodiment of true art. Indian saris are not only a symbol of cultural heritage, but also an inspiration for fashion designers all over the world. It is a unique art and craft that influences fashion trends and the design industry. Many contemporary designers take inspiration from traditional sari patterns, colors, and styles to create modern interpretations. Indian saris also have a huge influence on red carpet events. A lot of celebrities and actresses choose saris as attire for film festivals and galas. Personalities like Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Priyanka Chopra often surprise the public with luxurious saris that emphasize their Indian roots and elegance. Today, the sari is becoming an integral part of life in modern India. It is used as casual wear, especially in rural areas where tradition continues to play an important role. However, the sari also remains a popular choice for special occasions such as weddings, celebrations, and festivals. The importance of the sari continues for the new generation as well. Young women and girls proudly wear saris, continuing the traditions of their ancestors. The sari is not only an image, but also a way to express one's commitment to culture and art. The sari is not only a piece of clothing, but also part of India's rich cultural and historical heritage. During this video, we took a look at the process of making Indian saris, explored the variety of styles, and even got a glimpse into the world of luxury options. The sari plays a huge role in everyday life and at special events, remaining an important symbol of beauty and tradition. Thank you for spending this time with me exploring the wonderful world of Indian saris. If you are interested in this topic, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn more interesting facts about cultures, art, and traditions of different countries. Also, I would love to know your opinions and experiences in the comments. Tell me which saris you like best, whether you have had experiences wearing this exquisite garment, and what the sari means to you. Together, we can immerse ourselves in this colorful world and share our experiences. Don't forget to put a like if the video inspired you, and see you soon on my channel.